Showing you today is this modern, beautiful two-story home located in Loriana Grand Plains in Libby Road, Puan, Davao City. This model unit is available for sale and it is one of our new model units that is available in the market today. My name is John with DV Realty, and tara, let's check the interior of this house. As for the features of this house, it has a 180 square meters lot area and around 220 square meters floor area. It is fenced already, paikot sa bahay. Also, the gate are already included upon turnover. Kani, sa diri nga side, you have your double man gate here which will lead you to the entrance door of the house, as well as on this side, you also have your carport here and your gate that can accommodate one SUV or one AUV. So upon turnover, as you can see on this area, it will be fully landscape already. So appeal na ang landscape ani, even kaning mga tanom will be turned over to the unit owner already. As we enter, as we head on inside, this will be a smart lock already in your main door. So isa sa mga feature niya. And let's have a tour inside the house. Look at how bright and airy this property is. So you have your living area here. You can put your sofa, you can set up your television on this area. And adjacent to it is your dining area. Your dining area can accommodate 6 to 8 dining seater capacity. And it has a sliding door diri sa gilid niya, which will lead you to your covered lanai on the side of the property. It has an access also going to the back of the property, and also it is fully landscaped already. Adjacent to your dining area is your kitchen area. So it's a fully functional kitchen already. Upon turnover, na anay sink, you have the base and overhead cabinets included. You also have your cooktop here as well as your exhaust vent. So wala lang siya na-appeal dire but upon turnover, it will be included. So you can put your fridge here on this side. So you have a quite spacious kitchen area for this model unit. Now on the ground floor, you also have your first bedroom. So this can be a guest room or it can serve as elderly room if na ay mga tiguang sa inyong family. Upon turnover, the wardrobe cabinets are already included also. We also have the common toilet and bath here on the ground floor. So it's a fully functional common toilet and bath. Water heater is already included upon turnover. Glass enclosure is already included. And you have a fully fitted toilet and bath here on the ground floor. Here, you have an additional storage cabinets for your kitchen. You have base cabinets and overhead cabinets that are very functional. So here, you have your door that will lead you to your laundry area outside the house. Tara, let's check the second floor of this property. As we head on to the second floor, you have this awning window and you have these huge glass elements sa imuhang staircase. So it gives a natural light, a lot of natural light, as well as natural air ventilation. The stairs is made, ang steps niya is made of solid wood. And you have a wide space leading to the second floor. Tara, let's check the rooms. Let's check the first room here on the second floor. Mauni ang first room sa second floor. Naanay abang sa inyong window type AC. This can fit a double-sized bed. The wardrobe cabinet are already included upon turnover. You also have a lot of windows, large windows that is good for air and light ventilation. Moving on to the second room on the second floor. This is quite spacious compared to the first room, and it has also large windows and abang para sa inyong window type AC. On the second floor, we also have the common toilet and bath. So this is a fully functional toilet and bath also. Apil na pod ang water heater ani diri sa inyong shower. So shower head and other fixtures for CR will be included. So spacious o floor to ceiling tiles pod ang atong CR diri sa second floor. And I'm going to show you the master bedroom of this property. As for your master bedroom, you have a spacious room here as well as you have a very high floor to ceiling height on the second floor in your master's bedroom. You also have your balcony, private balcony. Only the master bedroom can access this balcony and look at the view on this subdivision. You also have your walk-in closet on the second floor, so you have a lot of organizers. And the good thing about this room in the master bedroom is that it comes with its own toilet and bath. If you are interested to check one of our model units, contact me, John Paul Flame with DVO Realty. See you!